So it's just been the torrential downpour. I literally walk out the house. The church bells have not rang all day. It is now 1:22, and as soon as I step out the house, the church bells are ringing. I'm telling you, this is what I'm up against. I am fucking important because this is horrific. It is a genocidal attack all over fucking Germany. I'm telling you, man, this is apocalyptic. I'm telling you, apocalyptic. They started this shit in Luxembourg with the fucking bells of the church, and now, I mean, it's like wartime crime against one person. A whole 18 million people crying out to come to Germany because they help people. What a pile of shit. This country's like Mother Teresa, sainthood for taking all the refugees, and that you're killing them.